In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use organizations in Bitwarden. Organizations let you securely share passwords and other sensitive items with a team, family, or group, all while keeping your personal vault separate. Think of an organization as a shared space where you control exactly who gets access to what. Start by creating an organization in the Bitwarden Web Vault. Open the vault in your browser, choose Organizations, then select New Organization. Give it a clear name that your group will recognize and pick the plan that fits your needs, free for basics or paid if you need advanced features. When you're ready, click Create. You'll land on your organization dashboard, which is your hub for setup and management. Next, invite the people who need access. From the dashboard, go to Manage, then People, and choose Invite User. Enter their email and assign a role so Bitwarden knows what they're allowed to do. They'll accept the invite and appear in your member list once they join. Before you add data, understand roles and permissions. Owners have full control over everything, including billing and settings. Admins can manage users and collections. Managers can handle collections but don't control the entire organization. Users can access only what's assigned to them. Keep owner and admin limited to highly trusted individuals. Use collections to organize shared credentials like folders. Create clear categories such as work accounts, finance, social media, or admin access. In the collections area, click New Collection and choose which members can access it. Good naming and scoping make ongoing management much easier. When you're ready to share, add items to the organization through a collection. Create or edit a vault item, switch it from your personal vault to the organization, assign the appropriate collection, and save. You're not sending passwords directly, you're granting secure access through the collection. Fine-tune control by setting access levels. You can make items read-only, allow edits, or let someone manage. As a guideline, give general team members read-only and reserve edit permissions for IT or admins. Avoid sharing passwords through chat or email. Use organization sharing or use Bitwarden Send for temporary, one-off shares when needed. When someone leaves, go to People, remove their access, and rotate important passwords. This immediately cuts off entry and protects your accounts. For stronger security, require two-factor authentication, choose a strong master password, limit admin roles, and regularly review permissions. If you have a premium plan, use reports to spot weak or reuse passwords and any exposed credentials. This ongoing visibility helps you keep your organization safe and tidy.